I'm excited for this one. Fried chicken. So in a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then I'm gonna go in with some buttermilk. And I always smell my dairy just because I want to make sure it's good. And then we're gonna go in with half of a bottle of Louisiana hot sauce. And for the marinade, you always want to make sure you season it pretty heavily so that it really gets into that chicken and seasons it well. We're gonna go in with some adobo, some complete, some smoked paprika, some onion powder, a little more onion powder, some garlic powder, and then we're going to go in with some garlic salt. And the next seasoning that I do is onion, or not onion, orange pepper, but I don't go very heavy with this one. It's just a little kick in there. You can't even really tell, but it really does add something. And then I go heavily with the lemon pepper and black pepper. And then I'm going to seal this up or shake it up and seal it. And then I'm going to marinate it for 24 hours. For me, that's a minimum. You can go a minimum of 4, but 24 really is the sweet spot for me. So I'm going to get all of the air out, make sure that every piece is submerged, and marinate it for 24 hours. Here I'm going to go in with about 6 cups of flour. And then you want to carry over some of those seasonings to the flour, not as heavily, but definitely season your flour. So some black pepper, some garlic salt, and then I'm going to go in with some onion powder or granulated onion, garlic powder, and then I'm going to add the complete seasoning here. And I didn't go heavy with the salt or this one, just because I didn't want a super salty crust because the marinade was salty enough. We're just going to give it a really good mix to make sure it's all evenly distributed. And then here I went in with about a bottle and a half of the avocado oil over about a medium heat, medium high heat, I would say. And then make sure you really, really dredge your chicken in the flour, get in all the nooks and crannies that are there. And I didn't time how long I cooked the chicken. I just go by look before I flip it. And I did flip that first one a little too early. So I did have to go back and flip it back over to get it to the golden crust that I like that back one there. Um, but yeah, this is my fried chicken, guys. Give it a shot.